welcome to my channel, Joyful Journey Fit. My name is Ellie. Today is a very gentle yoga practice, a gentle warm-up for your day. Create that energy, that resiliency. Enjoy the breath, the free-flowing movement that your body naturally creates. Let's stand in mountain pose in the center of your mat. Lift the arms up to inhale. And then exhale, gently melting the arms down to your side. Take a nice breath in, filling up the body with that nourishing breath, and then slowly exhaling, letting it all go. 3 more times. Take that nice breath in, stretching, releasing any tightness or tension in the body, almost creating like a yawn effect with the body, being mindful of the movement, but allowing the mind to be at ease and to be at rest as you move, as you create rhythm with your body. Once more, nourishing breath in, and then slowly let it exhale out. Coming back into mountain pose. Feel that nice length through the feet to the crown of the head. We'll shoulder roll forward. Just warming up the back. Relieving any tension or tightness in the neck. Slowly release, doing those shoulder rolls up, back, and down. Excellent job. Take a nice inhale, lift the arms to a T. And then exhale, plant the palms behind, rotating inward with the shoulders. So we'll take a nice inhale, opening through the palms, shining that heart forward. And then exhale, molding and melting the palms behind, rotating inwardly through the shoulders. So again, go with your dynamic breath. Slowly internally and externally rotating through the shoulder, bringing nice harmony and balance to each side of the body. Helps to strengthen and harmonize the whole body. We're going to take a nice inhale, lift the palms up. Come to reach and stretch, and exhale as those palms come to touch. Very good. Lengthening as well as putting an ease in the body. We're slowly going to tilt to the right, just softening through the shoulders, just elongating through that left side body, breathing into the body. We'll come back to that midline, centralize through the abdominals, the lower back, and we'll slowly lean to the left, neutralizing through the hips. Excellent job. We'll come back up to the midline. We're going to stretch and reach those fingertips to the ceiling, softening through the shoulders. Gently just bring the arms down to your side, back in that nice mountain pose. We'll separate your feet, coming into a nice wider stance. Still feet are forward. Gently place the hands on the hips. We'll form some hip circle movement, fully being fluid in that lower body. Excellent. We'll go the other way. Stretch out the arms, coming back to that nice neutral stance with the spine. You're going to take a nice inhale. We're going to bend at the hips and gently forward fold down, down, down. So you can place your hands on your thighs, on your shins, just fully lengthening through the spine, shining that gaze towards the floor. Weight should be in the heels. We'll gently lift off, just bending through the hips and gradually lifting those arms up towards the ceiling. We'll exhale as we hands come to heart center. Once more, bringing the hands to the hips. We'll slowly lean forward, extending those arms down to guide the way. Excellent job. Lifting up, taking that beneficial breath in. And then slowly hands come to heart center as we exhale. Very good. Hands come to the hips. And we're just going to rock just gently side to side, bending the knees, just allowing that gentle hip mobility. Excellent. We'll walk the feet inward, coming into a nice mountain pose stance. Going to lift the heels and then the toes. Just feeling that nice warmth and energy within the whole body. Feeling strong, feeling confident, feeling at peace, and ready for your day. Finish off the practice for today. We're going to step that left foot behind the right, coming into a little bit of a curtsy lunge. Going to lift the arms up high, grabbing hold of that left wrist. Going to lean to the right, just feeling that long line of energy from the fingertips on that left hand to the heel on that left foot. Excellent job. We'll lower the hands. We'll guide that left foot back in line with that nice mountain pose. We're going to come into that curtsy lunge on the other side. So we'll step back with that right leg, neutralizing the weight on either side. Take a nice inhale, lifting up. We're going to grab that right wrist and just lean over to the left. And extending that long line of energy, breathing in to that right side body, stretching with comfort and ease, balancing. Excellent. We'll release the hands, draw the feet inward, coming to that beneficial mountain stance, feeling strong and connected, unified and harmony within the body. Take that beneficial breath in, lifting the arms up high, and exhale, palms come down as your arms lower to your sides. 3 more times. Just take that nice inhale. and exhale. Twice more, inhale and exhale. One more time, shine that bright light within you. The same light bright that shines in me. Welcome to your day. Have a beautiful morning. Namaste.